Yeah, hi, good morning, all of you.
Hi, Vira.
Yes, Viraj. Yes.
So, okay, any questions on yesterday topic? Ansible? Any questions, connection and all? No questions? Okay, let me share my screen. So,
Veera, I have a question.
yes,
Yeah, like when I try to install a Git by using inventory, like it is installing in both the nodes, like in Ansible and in the node also.
yeah, good point. Actually, whenever you can install Ansible, Git automatically will install. That is not related for your inventory file.
Okay.
So, if you install Ansible, no, Git automatically will be installed. Whenever you can install Ansible in the node. So if you can try with different packages, it will not be like that, especially
Okay,
for
Veera.
only Git. Yeah, the
Yeah.
reason m install Ansible, if you give this command, Git also will install it automatically. Git packages also there in that. Python and Git will be installed.
Okay, Veera. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So okay, let's get started now. I'm in the Ansible master. So my node also connected. So if you want to connect your node, so we have a command Ansible. You can use module -m ping. So if we can give ping on, so we'll get response from the connected node. Okay, so I'm able to get a response from my node. So you can connect one more, you can create one more node. I mean, launch one more instance. Node 2. So same key pair. Anyway, the key pair, if you give or not, we are going to give different key pair. So launch server. Okay. Let's connect node 2 also. Let me change this. In this case, this is node 1.
Veera,
Yes.
yeah, I have a question. Like, can we use, like we have to use the same key pair for all the nodes, or we can use the different key pair?
Always, all are coming from same application, right? So, I mean, what I'm trying to say here. For example, multiple servers means same application require multiple servers. That those will be created from your AMI, especially for launch template. So, I mean, multiple servers created by creating by auto scaling group with respect to application. And the auto scaling group will take a reference from the launch template. And the launch template inside, we are mapping the key. And also AMI, custom AMI, we can create for same application. So auto scaling group create the servers. So all the servers will be there in the same key. Okay. If it is a different key, for example, so different servers means, so we are not supposed to do same activity for different servers, right? For example, my and auto scaling group created a 6 servers. So 6 servers related to same application. The reason same application we are getting from same AMI, custom AMI. And 6 servers created by auto scaling with the reference of same launch template. Their same key will be there. So all servers will be, taken same key. And your Ansible want to connect a different servers, different application. Yes, we need to copy the key and paste it over there only. Here, whatever key is there inside the multiple servers, it doesn't matter the reason. We are generating key from here, where Ansible. So we are generating key from here. So this key, this public key, you can copy the required nodes. It will be connected only. Understand? This is the key, ls. ls. So this is the key, IDRSA public. If I take this IDRSA public to copy the required node to connect your Ansible node, you need to copy paste over there only. For example, just now I have created one server. So whatever key is there inside, doesn't matter. The reason I'm giving the public key here additionally. For example, this node 2, if I go cd.ssh. So inside all razor keys are there. So this key I'm not using at all. The reason, if I want to use this key, this is public key. If I add with respect to private key into my Ansible node, also my Ansible node is able to communicate. Or you can generate your own keys by using SSH keygen. So whenever you can generate, your and 2 keys will be created. One is public, one is private. So anyway, requester always need to go to connect. Requester always to, maintain the private key, and acceptor always, upload the public key. So my acceptor is node 2. So definitely my Ansible insert public key, if I copy paste there. So the respect to private key there in my end, Ansible, so it is able to connect. So here, small example now. Now new server is created. Whatever the server is created, I'm not using that key. In that case, what I can do? So you just take from here. This public key, same like node 1. I'm copying. This is different key. The existing key while creating instance time, the keys there at AWS evidence that one only. But I'm not using AWS private key at this time. So that's what I'm generating a new keys. So private key is my end, public key is pasting here. Now, if I try to connect from Ansible, same process. Let's come now. You can give SSH, the node to private IP. Node 1 only tested, right? Yes, able to connect. The reason public you just copy pasted over there, private key in your end, so you are able to connect. Clear?
Yes, Veer, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Okay. Exit from here. So simple logic now. Again, my Ansible. If I give ping command, still I'm getting response from only one node, not two nodes. The reason, in my inventory file, I have added only one node details, not second node. So what we can do, vi etc Ansible hosts. See, one server private IP already there. Let me copy and add it here. Okay. So now what we can do, testing also done, right? So, so now give Ansible all -m ping. See now getting response. Two. I'm getting response from two nodes. See here, very important thing. If any new server is created again, okay, new server again, node 3 I'm creating. You can use different key also here, AWS or different key, whatever it is. Doesn't matter. The reason I'm not using this key at all now. I'm using generated keys. So if you use different key also, no problem here. So again, I'm creating one more. Excuse me. This is node number 3. See, if you can see here, every time, guys, Ansible, if you can see here, whenever I can give SSH command, it is asking confirmation yes or no. If you give S only, it will be allow. I mean, again, it is asking confirmation yes or no. Verification yes or no. Okay. Okay. Let's now we can understand here. The third instance also created. The third instance also created. The third instance. What I need to do again? So take from here the public IP, sorry, public key, and paste it into in the same key. Just wait, guys. I'm getting some call. Hello. Okay, guys. So let's understand. This is very important understanding, guys. Yeah. See, my end, one more server is created. That is node 3 now. This node 3 connect again node 3 also. And again go to Ansible node. And again you can run cat command. Yes. See, if I take here, this is the key, copy, and go to new node, sudo su. Guys, if you generate key from root, you need to update root itself only, not in user. Again, problems will come. VI authorizer keys. Shift and right arrow, quickly it will move. Here, paste it. Done. Take the node 3, copy, and paste it into Ansible hosts here. Insert. So now what we can understand from here, the third one especially, without confirming. So without confirming, I mean, once we do SSH to private IP, it will ask yes or no. If you do yes, so the verification also done. Cross verification also done. So it will be accept automatically. But now without run SSH before, see, if you can see here, if I do SSH for new instance, node 2, it is asking yes or no. Once you give yes, only it will be confirmed. Next time onwards, permanent it will be added and it will be work like that. But without confirmation, without SSH and confirmation, I'm directly added the third instance private IP. Now, if I run M module, see, yeah, third one is fail. Why? It is asking host verification fail. Whenever I run this command, it is asking yes or no, and it is go for second. 1 and 2 is success, right? It is going automatically there only. So the third one verification is pending, right? Whenever I run ping, it is asking third one also need to connect, and it is asking like that. Immediately it will be connected first and two. So it is close the window automatically. So this verification is pending, right? That's what whenever I run the ping command for the third instance also, all means third instance also. So it is saying third instance is pending yes or no. So at that time, again, the window is taking to the success nodes ping status. So here, okay, if I give enter, the request is taking from here, not yes or no. It is taking directly from exit from here in the same page. So the confirmation is still pending. So whenever you can add this private IP into this existing list, we no need to cross verify again. The reason, this key is required. You know that configuration required from the server also. So in this case, what we can do, we can skip this process. Yeah. So how we can skip this process here? We need to go ansible.cfg and inside add here host key checking equal to false. So this is the file I'm creating ansible.cfg. Here I'm adding defaults. Copy, paste. Sorry, insert. Defaults. Okay. So whenever you can give this command here, I mean instruction here, if I run ping command, see here, it is not asking yes or no. It will be skip. Those step is skip automatically here. So now the response from number 1, number 2, number 3. So total node 3s are connected. If any new instance will come again, that instance private IP you need to copy paste in the inventory. No need to verification, yes or no again. This is the process. Any questions still here?
Clear, Veera.
Okay. So that is mandatory for verification. If verification is so, without verification, if you add those private IP into the inventory file, first time even ping command, whatever you can run the module command, it will expect the verification. So that we can, ignore by giving the configurations. Ansible.cfg verification equal to false. Now we can start the process. Okay, modules done. Let's go to now my GitHub. We can complete quickly. Okay. Okay. So these are the topics what we need to cover in Ansible especially. So the first one is first playbook.ml. So the first playbook.ml we already discussed, right? Install HTTPD and start something. So here number of tasks. Task number 1 to install HTTPD. Task number 2 to start your web server. And the next process is, I think no need to explain this. Okay. So if I can take here, copy. So go to here. Delete the clone. ls cd DevOps Ansible. Okay. The first playbook.com playbook.ml already studied discuss, right? Now we are going to discuss group inventory. Group inventory is nothing but what? See if I write here group playbook.ml. So what we can write here? Simply same instead of writing all, we can write some group here. See, for example, this is my first playbook.ml, right? So if I'm copying from here, so here pasting here. So if I run now playbook, what will happen? Ansible playbook dot group playbook.ml. It will run. First, gather the facts. Gather the facts means node 1, node 2, node 3. Changed means this process before is not there. Yellow color indicates now the process is change. I mean install. Next is what? Start web server. Next, play recap, enter recap. Okay. Total 3 tasks, changed equal to 2. Remaining 1 is no change. Gather the facts. So now if you can go and check the node 3 recently created also, if you run systemctl status httpd active. Okay, active. So like that, what we can understand here. So this is mean group means what here? Group means what here? So let's go to Ansible now again. Here group means if I give in my aml.com aml file, all means all inventories, all IPs, it will be apply the same process. For example, if I give specific, for example, let's go to here. Insert dev. If I give dev here, if I run, definitely it will be fail. The reason could not match supplied host pattern, ignoring dev. So dev host is not matched. So what I can do now? Vi etc Ansible hosts. If I go inside, so I'm going to write a one group here. Insert. So dev like this. If you write here, these are other group. Some test. Skip here. So and run now again. So this time we are not modules. We are mentioning everything here. All are group, no, everything. But here, this is what playbook.aml. So everything is there. We need to define inside aml only. See, host name I'm giving div, not all. So now expected one is only changes will be updated. Only one group server, that is dev server. Gathered facts, only 43. Only 43, install 43, start 43. Everything is only 43. Okay. So next, this is group. So where we can mention the group, like in the AML file itself only. So again, I'm just changing this again to all. Perform. Next. ls. So this is groups concept, first playbook.aml. Okay. And next go to here. Variable. We'll discuss variable or first ad hoc modules, conditions. Okay. Copy module index, loops, multi loops, variables. Okay. So guys, if you can see same YAML file, what I'm doing here. Okay. Before that, let me show you one deployment at time. So to get clarity. Okay. Anyway, so here, if you from here. BI variable BI playbook variable. Yeah. So name is common, hosts is common, become is common, tasks are all common. But here additional things are vars. I mean inside your YAML file. So this is if you can take here the sample YAML file. So my first playbook.yaml is this one. So here under become under become before about tasks, we are going to write a vars variables. The reason, if you can see, in Ansible, in Ansible, especially in the AML language, if you want to call the variables, we need to declare like this only in AML language. Two curly braces, open, under quotes, and write a value inside and close it. I mean, call the variable here inside and call the curly braces. So AML file, if you want to write any variables, this is the process. So now here, if you can see, my end, 4 tasks are there. The task number 1 is install HTTP server, start web server. See, copying module I'm using now here to copy the file and restart server. See what here, restart, start, stop, we are using service module only. Install, uninstall, we are using M module only. But here copy module means if you want to copy one file from one place to other file or other place, we have a module that is copy module. So this copy module, if I run this program, okay, if I run this program, this will be definitely fail. The reason, it is expecting copy index.html into this location. So unfortunately, index.html, if it is not maintained in your local, source will fail. Okay. And very important thing here, I'm just writing variables also. Variables are nothing but what here. So here M name A, I have already declared A equal to HTTPD. So here install HTTPD and state equal to B present. I mean to install the state equal to B. I mean state equal to present or latest. If you give this to it, Ansible point of view, present and latest is meaning install. So which argument you are going to install? HTTP. And next is what? After install, you need to start, right? Start the web server. To start the web server, which module you are using? Service module under tasks. Second task. Okay. Again, so what we are going to start? A. A means what? HTTP. Okay. Start. Next state is what? Started, stopped, restarted. Which one? Started. Okay. So now copying the next is what? Okay, my web server is running till here. After that, so if I want to access this web server, so if you want to add anything content inside it, we are using copy module. First, you can create a local one index.html and that index.html Ansible will copy from there to inside. And again, restart the server. Again, A. Always A means what? Start, stop, restart, only M. So here I'm using restart the server. Restart the server means which server? HTTPD server. HTTPD. D means what? Restart. So this is the process. We can write variables and also we are using copy module in this. So if I now, so Ansible. Yeah, if I execute this, definitely it will be fail. Yeah, see here, total 4 tasks. Total 4 tasks. See here. Task number 1, install HTTPD. Task number 2, start HTTPD. Task number 3, copying HTML. Task number 4, start or restart. Okay. So here out of 4 tasks, 3 equal to success, 1 equal to fail. So now we can check one by one. See, gather the facts. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Install HTTPD 3 facts. Okay. And start the web server in 3. Okay. But here the error is what we can understand here. So index.html could not find or access index.html. Copy module. So like a M module, like a service module, copy module also expect the file, what I need to copy from the local current directory to where. So copy module is trying to find index.html. Unfortunately, my local, there is no index.html. So the task star is given an error. So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a index.html here. So it is going to be check index.html here. So otherwise, the better thing is here. Okay, this time I'm just creating here only. Okay, here I'm going to write something. So hello Ansible. Okay. Again, rerun the task. See this time done. So gather the facts, install HTTPD, start web server, copying, restart, and recap also. So here no fail. So now if I take my node to hello Ansible, any node you can take it. Any node you can take it. Clear? Any questions?
Yes, Vira, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Let's go now here. LS. Same. And next we can discuss variables done. So copy module index.html just now we discussed. So vi playbook copy module index copy module. So just now we discussed, right? This is copy module. So on this file, YAML file only, we have written variables. Perfect. Next, yes, let's go for conditions and the loop, multi-loop also, and handler also we cover today. Condition. These are very easy topics. Yes. The conditions are the reason the Kubernetes handles little difficult compared to this handle. Okay, VA. Basically, Ansible used for system configuration, system engineer kind of roles we are using. Okay. Especially for DevOps role. There is no big scope of Ansible for DevOps lifecycle. The reason, containerization process, if the DevOps the servers count is less means, so the Ansible scope of work is very less. Containerization process, if you can go, the nodes are very less, right? Only the pods will be created. So in this case, the Ansible scope is very less, especially for containerization process. So same here also. So this is just condition only. I mean, So let's go to here. Ansible, let me execute this first. Playbook condition. So working fine. I mean, the main important is here. If I want to the condition, the variable I have given 5, right? So just, I mean, so inside AML, multiple tasks are there. Okay. Inside AML, multiple tasks are there. For example, now if I give 6, now if I run, yeah. So what we observe here, skipping. See the reason how it, yeah, let's go here. Here install.htdp software and I have given it will work when a equal to 5 only. For example, if I want to execute this AML except only this task, so you can write some condition when a equal to 5, but you can give the a equal to 6. I mean, declare the a6, but give the condition different condition. Means this condition is not satisfied. This enter block will skip. So remaining will work. So if you want to write, for example, here also, the condition you can write here also. Insert. Yes, we can write here also parallel service when. So right here b equal to 7 or 8. So here I'm declaring where b also. I'm giving here 8 or 9. So I have given the condition server has to start when b equal to 8. But b I have given 9. So again run. See again. Start web server also going to skip here. Remaining is working fine. Like that we can work with conditions. Specific task need to be ignored. Specific task has to be considered. Like that we can write some condition here and declare the value in the variable. Whenever you can give the different variable, so this condition is not satisfied. So this will skip this block and this is conditions. And next, so condition block, variable block, and the copy module block. And next is VI loops concept. So here, if you can see, let's take from here copy. So loops concept after conditions. So this is loops concept. Just to give here, I like this coloring. And now you can take your normal AML file, the first playbook.aml file, this one. Copy. If you can see here, multiple tasks I have written here. 1, 2. So whenever I can implement loops concept, especially loops concept. So only one task here, multiple tasks are not there. So same loop will be run here. So if I want to install multiple packages, so no need to run name, install HTTP software, again name, install different software, again name, install different software. Here we can understand one thing, different softwares. So for example, let me remove here. Yes. So by seeing this, so if I want to write one, if I want to install one more package, multiple packages, what I need to do again? You need to write here name. So install it software. M. So here you can write name it state latest. So I'm writing two tasks here. One is for HTTPD, one is for Git. So no need to write. If single, I mean, here the single task, here we are using which module, M module. In this case, no need to write multiple tasks like name like this. Since the module is same, you can write a loops. Okay, see my M module name I'm giving item. State equal to latest means what? Install. What I need to install with items. So Git will go here. M latest Git. Git will be installed. Next tree will go M tree item. Item means tree. M latest tree. M latest Git means latest means install. So it will be rotate like this with items, item, with items, item like this. First item Git, next item tree. Like that it will run. This is loops concept. So just you can give the declare the variable in the item. So that item you can give with items, give the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything will be created. Okay, let's go and check. So Ansible playbook, playbook dot. See, installing two packages, git and tree, git and tree. It's a loops concept, looping. Okay, this is single loop. But here, yes, this loop concept will fit only one type of module, either M module or service module. In this case, how we can add multiple modules? I mean, one module is for M to install, one module is for, I mean, service to start and stop. I mean, here if you want to install Git, you can install Git, you can install tree, you can install something. But here we cannot start Git, we cannot start tree. The reason I have given a loop for only M module. So in this condition, what we can do, we can go for multi-loops concept. So the multi-loops concept is, we just declare two values here, like VI, playbook. So multi-loop. Yeah, let me, yeah, if you can see here, till here it's same. So here I'm declaring. So I'm writing for M module here. So two modules, M module, service module. So before that, I'm using only M module. Here I'm declaring only item. That item I'm calling with items, git, tree, something. But here one more additional, along with the name, I have added what here state. State means start or stop or restart. First name means M. So name, whatever name you are going to give, HTTPD Git or something. So M install HTTPD. So here state is what? Y. M name is what? X, item is HTTPD. Y latest means install. Next, M item git state Y option. So in this case, I can install HTTPD, I can uninstall Git. The reason I have given multiple values here. One is for name, one is for state. If you go for the before case, only one state is there. See, only name. State you have hard coded always latest. So the reason install. If you want to uninstall, this is common. Here you can write absent, uninstall. Same process here. But here I'm declaring two different values, X condition, Y condition. The reason this two is not same. Sometimes you can install, sometimes you can uninstall, sometimes you can start, sometimes you can stop. See conditions, X HTTPD, Y latest means here HTTPD will go here, latest will go here. So M install HTTPD, first argument. Second argument, M X git. So M git here, state is what? Install? No, absent, uninstall. Next, X tree. So Y again latest install. Same thing here. This is some cases install, some cases uninstall. Now the same case, start HTTP server. I want to start the server. Give the names here. X, same state jet. I want to start HTTP server. HTTPD is a name. Jet means what? State. Started, restarted, stopped. So if you want to write, we can write one more. Okay, it's not possible. Tree is not a process, right, to run. So it's not possible. Only process is to HTTP is only process to run inside to start it or restart it or stop it. But Git and a tree is not a processor, right? To start in run inside. It's not a service. It's a package. So that's what. Now Ansible playbook.yaml. See here. First, X is HTTP install, calling HTTP value. Y is calling latest. And next condition, X calling Git. Y condition is absent. Next, X condition tree is calling Y condition is latest. And next, HTTP server is calling HTTP started. X started. I mean, three nodes started. So three changed equal to one is uninstall Git. So you can change again this. If you want to change here, simply what we can change here, you can change tree uninstall. I'm going to uninstall tree. So insert. I'm going to change absent HTTPD. So you can give git install. Sorry, I have given wrong command. I should give let's go absent. Okay. sorry, this is not install. We have to give, there is no name install, right? Latest. So latest. Just a minute. Okay, done. So tree uninstall. It's ready to start. So this is a process for loops and multi-loops. Any questions?
Veera, I have one question.
Yeah.
Can you open the SAML file for multi-loop?
Yes.
Yeah, here, in with the items, we are declaring the HTTP get tree, the latest and all here only, right? Can we write a separate
Yes.
variable? Can we write a separate variable for this, like separate variable file for this, or we need to give here only, or will we
For
play?
for
Will we
what?
face any? No, here we are declaring the applications, right? For in X, HTTPD X is equal to get X is equal to tree.
Hmm.
So like that, no, without declaring here, can we write any variable file outside?
See, yeah. Again, what is the process? You can write a variables here. So same declare A, B, C here X A. I mean, it will come like this one. Okay. So you need to write like this one.
Okay, we need to declare in the same file, not like
Yeah,
outside.
same. Yeah, same like
Okay, okay, got it, Veera.
yeah. So before we have written right like this. Okay. The next is the very important one, little else. Handlers. Handlers is little important topic here. This handlers topic is little important. Copy module and condition inventory. These are all done. Okay. This is pending after the tags. So tomorrow we can start roles, vault process, and dynamic inventory process. These are all pending, and we can do one project also. BI playbook handlers. Same or same YAML file again. So same copy.module. Okay. Here, if you can see, for example, guys, you just ignore this at this time. So now if I run here, okay, what I can do. Copy. LS. So here already we ran here VI playbook variables, right? If you can see here, if I run this playbook.ml, Ansible playbook.variable. So if I run, copy the module, restart the server. See here, if you can see every time restart the server. Why we need to restart the server every time? Even no changes in your application. My index.html, no changes. Why we need to restart every time? So this is not recommended, right? Even if there is no changes every time restart the server means the particular whatever the 10 seconds or 15 seconds, no one can access the server. Refresh, restart means breakdown only at the time, particular time. Okay, then when it will work, and when it will skip, that we need to understand. So restart the web server. When we can restart? In your code, is there any changes only? We need to restart it. Otherwise, you can ignore this. So in this condition, what we need to do right here, we have a handlers concept. Handlers is nothing but here. So whenever changes are there in your, your application only, it will run. So for example, this is restart server, right? So this restart server means here it will work only if the changes are there in my application only. So my application means what? Index.html. So here what we can do, two concepts are there in the handler. One is for notify, one is for handler. Notify means here, if I write a notify here, so if I write a notify here, restart server, I'm writing a notify here, restart server. So here again, I'm going to write handler. Exactly. Yeah, this level. Handler. So this handler, let's check now handler. No, one more. Again, you can check. So my handler is the same line of the main things. Okay. Now what handler will do here? So handler to handle this task. When if any notify is there, notify means here any changes are there. These changes will this notify always track this application. If any changes are there, one event will be generated on the name of restart server. This event name is restart server. This notify will track any changes are there in the index.html. Immediately notify will generate a restart server event. Whenever this event will be generated, this handler will run this task. The reason this name should be same both. Whenever this event will be generated on this name, immediately handler will run the particular name task here. If you get different name here, handler will check the on the name of the task here. But handler, if couldn't find any name of the task with respect to event name, it will not run. So that's what you need to maintain same names both here. Both names are same, like whenever notify will be generated event, based on that event, handler will monitor this event always. Whenever notify will give the event, handler will run this task. When the notify will generate this event, whenever changes will be there in the index.html. So now let me try. Okay, let's go and check the name. Handler. Handlers. Okay. Sorry, spelling mistake again. Okay. So if you can see here, yeah, let's validate now. Copying the file, but if you can see here, one task is skip here. The task is what? Restart. After copying the file, start copying the file, next restart, but it got skipped here. So what we can understand here? Again, go to, not here, simply go to your index.html file. So that is there in the same file, right? vi index.html. Do some changes here. Run now. See here. If you can see here, copying the file means new changes copied. Now handler restart the server and recap now. See, the changes are, again you can run. No need to restart at this time, no changes, right? It has to be skip that part. See, clear now? That is handler. Handler will allow only whenever changes will be there, the particular task only, it will be allowed. For example, see, not only here, you can give here also. Yeah, if you can see, so this handler will run depends on this task only. If you give notify here also, this handler will run based on this notify only. I mean, we need to understand the condition where we can give the notify. Here we can give, right? The application is here only. So this is handler. And finally, tags, ls. So vi tags. This is very simple. If you want to call particular amplifier only, so give a tag. A, B, C, D. Ansible, hyphen, Ansible playbook. So give a particular argument here, tags, so that it will run only particular task only, not everything. This is task. If you can go here. So these are playbooks. These are conditions. These are loops. Tags. So just you need to run Ansible playbook, name that playbook, hyphen tags equal to A. If you give only A will be executed. Multi tags, hyphen tags BC. BC will be executed. Skip tags, skip C will be a skip. Here like that we can run. Okay. So for example, if I want to install only Git, so name equal to Git, state equal to present. Like this also we can give, or you can write state separately. Now Ansible playbook. Right here. So here you just give hyphen tags equal to A. See only A part. If you can see, gather the facts only. It has done. Same thing if you give A, comma B. Sorry. What I'm running here? Sorry, I'm running where? Installing Maven. Whatever. Yeah. So VA tags.ml. So if you can see what we can understand from here. So we can run only the particular task only. Okay, let's go here. VA tags.ml. Insert. So you can run quickly, we can understand. So AB tasks only will be installed. Process will be initial. See, installing only. So now if I give A only, A process will be only run particularly only. See recap. If I give only C, C process only will run. C task will be on. C is not there, maybe like that we can control A, B, C, something. So based on this declaration, VI tags based on this declaration, it will run. A task means if I run A tag, M will be installed. If I run B tag, M will be installed. If I run C tag, one user will be created. User module. Copy module means copy, M module means install, service module means restart. So this is playbooks. Any questions? So tomorrow I will show you how to manage dynamic inventory. Now we are copying private type is directly, right? Instead of that, how we can manage, we can discuss. So any questions?
No questions, Veera. Clear.
Clear.
Okay, so that's all for today. So we can discuss tomorrow. So we have 3 classes on Ansible and 3 classes on Python method. So we can complete the sessions next week. And I'm going to take 1 or 2 days for project explanation. And I will share the project document. Still, if you need any content, want to learn, do let me know so we can extend further. But enough. This content is more than enough for 4 to 5 years experience. People, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, AWS, Git, Jenkins, and Ansible. I think we already done Maven, some of you also. Okay, thank you so much. If you are having any questions tomorrow, please let me know. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Veera. Bye.
Bye.